Unboxing reMarkable digital paper. Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in. You can support us by subscribing to our channel. Finally, my reMarkable 2 has arrived. I'm excited to have this digital paper. I heard about it and read about this reMarkable digital paper device for several months now. And no more waiting. Finally, it's here. I hope everyone is excited about this reMarkable 2. The packaging looks great and promising. I hope this reMarkable will put me to work, more readings and writing without any distraction. I hope this device will be the most important digital paper ever. Better paper. Better thinking. I hope so. Another layer of packaging in a black box? Finally, oh wait, there are more layers. It's a USB cable for charging the device, for fast file transfer and charging. Replace your notebooks and printed documents with the only tablet that feels like paper. The brand new Marker Plus comes with a second eraser sensor in its top end. One pen and extra 9 tips for the pen. And this pen is so light. Take handwritten notes, read and review documents. A display that looks and feels like paper. Convert your handwritten notes into text. Take notes directly on PDFs. Eye-friendly reading. All your notes, organized and accessible on all devices. The world's most responsive digital paper. 30% thinner than reMarkable 1. The world's thinnest tablet. Magnetic accessories. The marker and new book Folio snap to reMarkable magnetically. Make your handwritten notes easy to reuse in emails, reports, or presentations by converting them into text. Practically unlimited pages and folders mean you can organize your notes, documents, and books however you like. Read web articles on reMarkable with a click. Any web page, simplified and ready to read on your paper tablet with our Google Chrome plugin, Read on reMarkable. An eye-friendly reading experience. Comfortably read PDFs or ebooks for hours on end without backlight, glare, or eye strain. 2 weeks of a battery without recharging. You can support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and I will see you in our next video.